Actor Shim Hung-tak and his wife have shared some gorgeous wedding photos. According to Shim Hung-tak's agency Alomalo Humane Entertainment, Shim Hung-tak and his Japanese wife Harai Saya held their second wedding ceremony on August 20th, following the first wedding ceremony held in Japan. The first part of the wedding ceremony was hosted by Jun Yun-moo, the second part was hosted by comedian Moon Se-yoon, and the wedding song was performed by singers Lee Sung-chul and Shin Sung, who are appearing together with Shim Hung-tak on Channel A's Groom's Class. Through his agency, Shim Hung-tak shared photos from the wedding and commented, "I am beyond happy to have wise and lovely Saya as my wife. After my last tears I shed at the wedding in Korea, I will stop crying and become a strong husband for Saya and our family. I promise to protect my wife for the rest of my life." After debuting as a model in 1997, Shim Hung-tak challenged himself and ventured into acting in 2001 and has since appeared in several dramas such as God of Study, Brain, Seo Young, My Daughter, and Apgujeong Midnight Sun. Earlier in April 2023, the actor announced his marriage with his non-celebrity wife who he met 4 years ago when he was filming for a television show in Japan. Congratulations to the bride and groom.